What's going on, everybody? My name is Jared from Debaroo.com, and today we're going to be continuing on with some free strategies for affiliate marketing. So this video is going to be all about how to use Facebook to make Clickbank affiliate sales, and the way that we're going to be doing this is through Facebook groups. And this is pretty much, the only way to do this on Facebook for free. Of course, you have Facebook ads, but maybe you don't have the money for Facebook ads and you want to implement a free strategy. Well, that's exactly what I got for you. So we're going to be going over everything you need to do to set up and manage quality Facebook groups and how we can eventually sell these people affiliate products, because that is our ultimate goal. So before I hop into it, I just want to let you know that this video is made possible by the AFK forum. Alrighty, so I am in Facebook right now, and I just did a quick search for affiliate marketing, and then I went over to the groups tab, and as you can see, there are a ton of different affiliate marketing groups here on Facebook. Now the thing is, it doesn't have to necessarily be about affiliate marketing. Rather, make your group in a different niche. That's perfectly fine. Just make sure that whatever group you're trying to create, make sure that you are an expert in it. Make sure that you can post content in it on the daily. Make sure that you can answer people's questions, because that's the reason that people are joining groups, is they want to know more about a topic, or they want to engage with people who are interested in the same topic. So of course they're going to be asking questions, and you need to be able to interact with them and answer those questions. Of course, when you pick whatever niche you're going to work in, make sure that there are affiliate products in that niche. Otherwise, you'll just be wasting your time because you can't sell these people anything down the line. Now, why do Facebook groups work so well for affiliate marketing? Well, essentially, not only does it help you promote whatever product or service that you're going to offer down the line, it just helps having a community. So you're literally building a community around whatever topic it is that you want to create. You're creating like a brand name. You're creating something associated with yourself, a personal brand. Now, you don't necessarily have to make the group about yourself. Of course, it can just be about a topic, and that's fine, but you're going to position yourself as the expert in that topic. The great thing about having a passionate audience is that you can sell to them over and over again. You don't have to just make a one-off sale and then that person's gone forever. No, if you can build a connection with this person, then you can have sales for a lifetime. So personally, obviously, I really like affiliate marketing. So when I would be creating a Facebook group, I would definitely make it in the affiliate marketing niche. And there's tons of groups over here, and they all have 10 plus posts a day, 5 posts a day, 7 posts a day, 10 posts a day, just straight affiliate marketing group. So there's definitely an audience that is on Facebook and is looking for affiliate marketing help. So if I can enter this space and position myself as the expert I know I am, then people will come and they will start engaging with my content. Now, you got to understand that this isn't going to happen overnight. It's going to take a lot of work, and this isn't just solely on Facebook. To really maximize the potential of this, we wouldn't just be creating the Facebook group. We would be creating an Instagram page for the group. We would be creating a YouTube channel for the group and posting all kinds of content on those various social channels. And then eventually the goal is to funnel all those people over to a Facebook group so that we can engage with them in a more intimate setting on a daily basis. So like I said, you got to make sure that there are products in whatever niche that you are promoting. So my niche would be affiliate marketing. So I'm going to go over to Clickbank, and I'm going to go to the marketplace, and let's go to e-business and e-marketing. So the first ones that we see are a huge commission over here from the super affiliate system. So this is an affiliate marketing product. Clickbank University, this is also an affiliate marketing product. I would definitely go with one of these two products. This one's a little bit less expensive, so it might be easier to get a sale up front. But one thing that you could do is you don't just have to sell one product. You can start with this product, and then maybe down the line you can set up a funnel for this product and kind of just keep going with that strategy of selling new products all the time. But the thing is, we're not going to be just straight selling these people. There's going to be tons and tons of upfront value before they even see our affiliate links, because we have to build trust and we have to build rapport with them. Otherwise, they're never going to click on our links. They're never going to have the trust to actually buy something that we recommend. Okay, so now that we have our products, let's go back over to Facebook, and we will actually start the group. So I'm not going to go over, how to set up a group. It's pretty straightforward. You go over to your profile, go to groups, create the group, add, your profile pictures and your cover photos over to the group. Add in a description, so a nice description, just explaining what the rules are for the group, what you can expect from the group, because people are going to see that when they click on your group and they ask to join it. That's another thing, is should you leave your group open or closed? In the beginning, it doesn't really matter too much. I think you could leave it open, but as you start getting some more people into the group, maybe 1,000 or 2,000 members, then you might want to make it a closed group just so it feels more exclusive, and you can just restrict any people that might be spammy or bots from coming into your group. Once that group is created, it's pretty much just time to start creating content. Start posting things about affiliate marketing. Create a pin post, which is like the first post that everybody will see. That's the one that can really have the rules and the expectations. Add some pictures, add some nice graphics, add some content that people would really want to interact with. To be honest, you'll never stop creating content for your Facebook group. Essentially, that's the whole point of the group, is to get people to interact, to access your content, to get the information that you want. This is a really front-end heavy process, so you'll create a lot of things up front, and once people start flowing into your group, then it becomes a little bit more hands-off, because they'll be doing a lot of the posting, and you'll be commenting and moderating and answering questions along the way. If you're looking for a faster way to get people into your groups other than just straight organic reach, then you can go into similar groups. This process is a little bit difficult because it might be breaking some of the rules of these other groups. So say I was creating a Facebook group about affiliate marketing, then I could enter some of these groups over here, and I would just be really, really active inside of those groups. I would be commenting on people's posts, answering questions, and then really subtly, you could just mention that, you talk about this kind of stuff all the time inside of your group, and just list the name of your group. I wouldn't link it. I would just literally say the name of your group and hope people come in that way. You have to be really careful that you're not breaking the rules of other people's Facebook groups, because they probably worked hard to get people into the group, so you want to be respectful of that. And really, the other way to get people into your groups is to funnel them in from other sources. So like I was talking about with a YouTube channel or an Instagram or a blog, that's all going to be a great way to get people into your group. So the last step is, how do you exactly sell to these people? So let's come on over into a group real quick. So here is an affiliate marketing group right here, and this is a guy who has a YouTube channel as well. So like I said, I'm sure he got a lot of these people in his group from his YouTube channel. Now, if we go to the About section, you can see that he has a ton of links right here. So first of all, he's got an affiliate marketing course. Then he's got free affiliate marketing trainer. This is, I'm sure, to get people on an email list. And then he has some other resources here, which are affiliate products like ClickFunnels and the One Funnel Away Challenge and email marketing software. So these are all affiliate products. So this is exactly what you can do, is when you make your description, talk a little bit about what the group is about, and then have these resources available where people can come and click on them. And if they ever make purchases off these links, then you will get commissions. Or if you own the product, then of course you'll just get the sale. You can also have some of this information inside of a pinned post. So this is the first post that anybody will see when they come to your group. And so it'll be just a good way to get eyeballs to these links. Further down the line, you can spend a little bit of money on potentially email marketing. So like I was saying with this link right here with a free training, it's almost definitely going to be in exchange for signing up for his email list. Then you can be sending emails to these people, and that is just another way to get sales. Alrighty, that's all I got for you today. I hope you understand that Facebook groups are super powerful. Facebook themselves are pushing groups. They're pushing people into the groups, and if you can make a, it can be just a small tight-knit community of people who are interested in the same thing, and as long as you provide valuable content pretty much every single day, then after some time you'll be able to get these affiliate sales. So I really hope you learned something in this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. One last thing is that this video was made possible by the AFK forum.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dice University. Dice University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dice University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.